Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that right now, at the time of recording the video, gold is trading below the crucial level of 4,000. Right now, gold is running around 3190, 3990, 3995 at the time of recording the video. So in the morning, when I was watching the chart or analyzing the chart, okay, gold was running around 3975, 3970. So in short, gold is trading below 4,000. So overall, we can see the weakness is present on the chart of gold. So if you have any ongoing sell, you can hold your sell position, but you need to be a little bit careful today. I will explain everything. Listen to me carefully. But at first, let's look at the market sentiment. You can see gold extend losses on Fed tightening outlook, dollar strength. Gold holds near 8-month lows. Gold settles below 4,000 on stronger dollar rate hike expectations. So the market sentiment has not changed yet. The same market sentiments or fundamentals are dominating the market. But if you look at the economic calendar, we can see we have PCE data coming up today. So in the US session, there may be some volatility. So be ready for it and be careful. Now let's talk about gold here. So first and foremost, gold is trading below the key level of 4,000. As I said, if you have any ongoing sell, you can hold your sell position. And in a situation like this, the simple trading strategy that we follow is sell on rise. Means whenever market goes up, we look for a sell at resistance, as the trend of the market is down and the market is being dominated by sellers. So in this situation, the two selling opportunities for the day are 4050, the first black line that you see here, and then we have the second selling opportunity around 4100. Simple logic. Okay, they are the previous support levels and also round numbers. So we are expecting the previous support to work as resistance. Simple price action, nothing fancy here. So sell on rise is still the best trading strategy for us. If market goes up and if market shows price rejection from above, yes, that is important. Okay, then we can look for a sell position because the previous support will be working as resistance. That's it, nothing fancy. Okay. And if market fails to go up due to the ongoing weakness, we can look for a sell below 3956 areas. The blue line that you see here, we can look for a sell below, means sell at breakdown. If market breaks the level, we can look for a sell below 3956 as well. But we need to be a little bit careful here. Today is a very important day because first and foremost, gold is trading below 4,000. Now listen to me carefully, okay. Trading below 4,000, but the problem is that the weakness on gold is going on for last few days, okay. And if we look at the chart, then we can clearly see the the buyers have not surrendered completely yet. Gold is no longer forming lower lows. Yes, this is a very important sign here. Gold is trading below 4,000, but gold is no longer forming lower lows here. So personally, I feel that there is a possibility of a recovery here. Okay. During the day, if market breaks 3950 and starts falling, that's a different story. Gold will be weak again. But if market continues like this, then there's a high chance that during the US session or by tomorrow, we will see recovery on gold because the structure of the market is changing slowly. Gold is no longer forming lower lows here. As we all know, liquidity is a reality of the market. So we all were expecting gold to be weak below 4,000. Maybe after taking all the liquidity below 4,000, gold may go up, isn't it? This is also possible. So do I have any ongoing position right now? No, I do not have any ongoing position right now because I'm a little bit playing safe here because last few days have been really good. Okay, so I do not want to take risk. If market falls below 3956, I will be looking for a sell below 3956. As of now, I do not have any sell. If market shows price rejection around 4100, 4050, maybe I will look for a sell position, that too quick entry and exit. And as I said, okay, there is a possibility that market may show recovery because structure of the market is slowly changing, and that we cannot deny here. And the downside on the chart of gold has been going on for many days, so there is a possibility that gold may try to recover. I'm not saying that we are going for a complete trend reversal. Trend reversal is a different story. It's a different game. For a trend reversal, we need gold above 4150, then we need gold to cross 4250, the red box here. Okay, so it's a long road. I'm not saying that. Okay, but yeah, there is a possibility that during the day market may try to go up. If it does, if gold starts going up, if you see that recovery is strong, if you're a scalper, if you're an experienced trader, okay, you can follow your own strategy. But if you're a beginner, I will suggest you not to trade. As a beginner, new trader, you need to understand that every day is not for trading. Okay, we we have been trading for decades. I have been trading for 12 years, 13 years. Okay, still I do not trade every day. Okay, I only trade when the opportunities are, and you will find plenty of traders like me who do not trade every day. Do not make it a habit. It's a bad thing. And one more thing I would like to mention here is that after taking a sell position below 3956, okay, watch the market. If you see that market is going down with a big red candle, then obviously you can expect the weakness on gold to continue, because the structure will be again lower lows. Try to understand the logic here. But if you see that gold is going down with small candles, then okay, then the weakness may not sustain, and you may find gold taking support around 3950, 3940. So what I'm saying is that today is a very important day. Today is a decisive day for gold, because if gold breaks 3950 and starts falling, अगर gold weak हो जाता है and गिरते रहता है, then obviously gold will continue the weakness. But if gold tries to recover and gold crosses 4000, that we can see the possibility, then obviously we may see temporary upside on the chart of gold as well. So today, trade carefully. If you see gold is going up with small candles, gold is showing strong price rejection from above, then only take a sell around 4050, 4100. Okay, if you see gold is going down with a big red candle dropping, then only take a sell below 3956. Do not trade blindly, because there is a possibility that okay, gold may try to recover. Okay, and if it breaks 3950 with a big red candle, boom, gold is heading towards, you can expect gold to head towards 3800, 3850. Okay, let's wait and watch. Today is important.